Do you have sales issues going on in your speaking business right now? Well, I'll tell you, there's one trick that can fix those today. Stick around and we'll tell you what that is.
Hey, I'm Alexander.
And I'm Evan. We're with your local studio.
And this video is part of a series on helping you get more speaking gigs. Whether you're a paid professional speaker or using speaking to grow your influence and grow your business through that, this applies to both. This topic in the video, though, is really on the consideration decision stage of a sales funnel. If you're trying to fix sales, people are getting to the point, okay, I see that you talk, I see that you do this stuff and you have some knowledge, but are you the right fit for me and my audience and my problem?
There's a lot of options out there.
There are a lot. And the common issue here is people say, well, no, I can help everybody.
Yeah.
I can speak on everything because I'm brilliant, and I'm sure you are. But focusing on one audience and a specific topic can really drive action and fix a lot of your sales issues. And this is also known as niches. Niches?
Niche? We made it up.
Whatever, however you say it. But what is like the power of niching?
The power here is that you're focusing on 1, 2, maybe 3 audiences if you're a speaker and you have multiple audiences. The more focused you can be, the more results you'll actually see. That rhymed, but that was not intentional.
I love it. I love it.
Reason being, if you can tailor it down to one audience, you can hone all of your messaging, all of your content to that audience. So when they come to your page and they're watching your clips and your demo reel, hopefully, they're like, wow, this is my audience. This is for me.
This is.
If you're trying to do it all, then nobody's going to be like, this is for me, because it's not for anybody. That's the kind of like the paradox. You're trying to make it for everybody. It's actually for nobody.
It's nobody.
Yeah.
So speak to one audience and you're going to see a world of a difference. I would even recommend create separate landing pages, separate complete different speaking pages to a specific audience, whether you speak to healthcare or the food and beverage industry or to the beard growing men, the grooming men. You speak to them so that they can understand your topic and say, yes, they're talking to me. Now, taking a step further is they get to that page and you have different topics, share snippets from your different workshops or seminars or keynotes that you do and define it based off of the different topics that you can speak on. The person you're trying to target may be at a different stage, and if you don't explicitly tell them that you can talk on that, they may assume you can't. So for instance, you can help people men with beards. You may have a topic on how to grow your beard versus one how to groom your beard.
Or grow it.
Or grow it further. If I saw one on how to groom your beard, I'd be like, that's not a topic for me. This person can't help me. But if you segment it out, the topics that you can speak on, you'll increase the sales conversion, the options for conversion here. Because you break it out. Now, simple way to do this, if you have one, all this can be from one talk that you give. What's one way to do this simply?
Yeah, so you may not know this, but there's actually a built-in editor inside of YouTube. So all you have to do is upload your video, click on the editor, and really you can just kind of cut out segments and just, boom, separate video right there.
There we go. So
that's simple.
You have then videos hosted on YouTube, broken out, and then you embed them on your site with very specific titles that speak to your audience. How to grow your beard, or how to trim your beard, or how to grow your beard even more.
Or wear a fake beard, maybe?
Wear a fake beard. I love it.
Almost fails.
Exactly. The quality of the footage does come into play.
Oh, yeah.
Use whatever you have for sure, but the higher the production quality, it validates even further, but it can be hard to get. It's like the chicken before the egg. If you don't have a topic, or you've never spoken before, how can you show these different topics? We put on an event called Key 5 Conference for this exact reason. We work with a lot of speakers, and effectively it's an event, big stage, lots of lights, 100-person audience, and we capture it from 7 different camera angles, and that way you have all the footage you need to then start the conversions because you're already providing value through that. So go to key5conference.com to learn more, and you can see if it's the right fit for you.
Yeah, and if you're already kind of experimenting with this whole concept of niching, as we've invented, feel free to drop a comment, let us know how that's going, and if you got maybe a web page or a couple landing pages that you're trying to aim at different audiences, drop a link below because we would love to see those.
Definitely.